class 9, first chapter, the fun they had. We have already learned something in the first part, and if you don't have watched till now the first part, then you must have to watch. After that you will understand this second part very clearly and in a good way. Okay, let us see. First of all, you have to write down the difficult word meaning of this chapter. I have collected some. You have to write down all the by going through line by line. See, slot a given space, time or position. Regular of the usual kind. Dispute, disagree, it means problem, not agree. Nonchalantly, it means careless, it is not paying attention. If you are not going to pay attention to something, that is nonchalantly. Okay. Now we will see the main character of this story. Tommy, Margie, Mrs. Jones, County Inspector, and this chapter has been taken from the diary of Margie that is written on 17th May 2157. It means approx 140 years hence, as the story is already describing about the futuristic scenario of education about 140 to 50 years hence from hence. It means from today, after 100 years, what will be the education system, how the student will read. And this is the story of Tommy is 13, Margie is 11, and Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, and Tommy, Margie's school friend. And County Inspector, you may call who repair the computer. Okay, see what happened actually in this story. The writer Isaac Asimov have written this chapter keeping in view that what would be the situation when today we are avoiding or we are telling our students don't read through the mobile, you are wasting your time, you are doing useless things on the mobile, computer, laptop, whatever the electronic medias and platform. But the day is not far away where we, even our coming children's, their coming children's will study only through the mobile or laptop or computer or online sources or digital sources. For that we are today we are avoiding, suggesting him don't use that things or slapping them, prohibiting them. Okay, but we must be get ready to adopt the new system of the education. This is the story in which Margie and Tommy were studying in a library, in a school library, where Tommy found a book. Tommy found a real book. Now, being the younger, Margie asked Tommy, and she had already mentioned the whole incident of that day in her diary dated 17th May 2057. First, the Margie asked, "What is this?" Tommy said, "This is a real book. This is the real book about which we have learned, we have heard so many things." Similar in the way that is, we have not seen the dinosaur, but we have seen the specimen, their species, their copies, not actual species. It means the copies duplicate in the libraries. Similarly, the Margie seen a book, real book brought by the Tommy. She asked, "From where you have brought? This is totally different from our book." Margie said, "Our book is tele book. It means that is the digital book. stored on the computer, laptop or the online platform, and we have to move the slide and read the books. We can read number of books more than 10,000 in a single slot or single slide. But this book contains the printed letters, alphabet that is in black color and that can't be removed, erased very easily. That persists or stay there for a long time. Whenever we want, we can check. For digital book, we must have to supply of electricity, internet connectivity, and number of things. But for real book, we don't need these things. We only need book, and we can read anytime. Okay. Now, after that, the Margie have a discussion with Tommy about the book. And the Tommy said, you don't know about the book. And at that time, Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called her. And she is hesitating about his school. She is hesitating to his school because she is getting very poor marks in geography test and other tests also. That's why this was another cause of her irritation towards her own school. Her own school means an online school, a digital classroom where she gets everything, and about the robotic teachers. This was the root cause of her about hating her own school. But now her mother, Mrs. Jones, called, Margie, your teacher has right. Go and attend your class. And that time she went before the screen and appearing for the test or appearing for the class. But at the same time, Margie complained to her mother, Mom, I think there is a mistake or our geography teacher is not so very good. And I think they are awarding very few marks or very less marks to me in spite of attempting all the questions correctly. I have attempted all the questions correctly, but still I am getting the low marks. And that time her mother, Mrs. Jones, thought that it may be the problem of the computer. And that's why she called county inspector to check the screen monitor, either there is a default or there is fault in the computer. There is a you may call fault or any misappropriation or any type of inappropriate things. Okay. Now she is attending her online class about being the robotic teacher. But she is thinking about the real book. And Tommy said her that at that time, it means 140 years ago, there was a building that name is school, and there are various classes where the students come from far off distances and sit together, gain education before, and you may call not mechanical teacher, human teacher, and imparted the education to the education. And they understand their feeling, they sit together, interact with the students directly, understand their feeling, and whatever the problem they raised, they solved at that moment with the impression, emotions, love and care. But this had not happened with the Margie whenever she attended her online class, because robotic teacher came, attended the class, solved the problem and went away. That's why it was the root cause of irritation, or you may call hating towards her own school. Okay. Now she is on the computer, before the computer screen, online classes, and thinking about how the students come to school, how they play, they laugh together, they move together, they interact their problem, they share their problem. If one is depressed, they share their feeling with the others. But that thing not happens with the Margie. Margie study alone in a separate room, and before the computer screen, the question arrived and she attempt the problem. But no one is there how she is. Either she is feeling well or not well. But in the regular class, in the previous classes about the school, the writer had written that school had a building, separate building named school, where the only students came to take educations, and the teachers focus on the all around development of the students. Either they learn how to speak, how to adjust with their opposite sex. Opposite sex means called girls. Opposite teachers, how they behave, how they move, how they walk, how they talk. Everything today we call all round development. That is possible in those days. But in the digital classroom, that is the not possibility. There is the only possibility to get the education, but nothing else. And this was the root cause. The Margie thought how they did and what the fun they had. They played together, they laughed together, they worked together, and everything. They share their problem. They have love for each other. They have cooperation. They have discipline. They have manner, and they can share their problems. That was the merit of the regular classroom or regular school. That lacks to the Margie, and that's why Margie eating her school even more after watching, seeing, observing or reading about the regular school. And in my opinion, we should adopt the technology, but with the technology, we must not forget the basic rules of discipline and how we are doing, what we are imparting to our children. Suppose 2 days in the days of COVID-19, we are providing the online education to you, and other schools students are watching my videos. But I think that is not 100%. That can't replace the regular classroom. If we want to replace the regular classroom, that is the only possibility when the children will come in front of me, in front of his or her teacher, and they can get 100% solution of their problem and understanding. Okay, my dear friends, I hope you have understood all the things. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to put your comment in the comment box. Thank you. Take care.